Hi everyone, we're going to continue with the properties of the normal distribution. In the last session we focused on finding probabilities, basically trying to write them in the form probability z being less than a, which is phi of a, and we explored a few different statements. In today's session we're going to look at a few different ones. We're mostly going to look at modulus functions, okay? Finding property of modulus functions in the normal distribution. So let's say you've got property modulus of z is less than a, all right? Modulus of z being less than a can be written in a different form. It can be written as probability of z being between minus a and a. Why? Because modulus z means that it can be positive z or minus z. For instance, if z is a positive number, more than 0, it stays z. If z is a negative number, it becomes minus z. For example, if we are working out modulus of 2, it stays 2 because 2 is more than 0. If we're working out modulus of minus 2, since the number is less than 0, it becomes minus 2, it becomes 2. So that's how modulus changes a negative number to a positive one, all right? So in this case, you have z, modulo z being less than a, so z can actually be just positive z. So z will be less than a, and modulus z means that it could be minus z as well. So minus z less than a, z would be greater than minus a. If you multiply by minus 1 on both sides, the sign changes. So we end up getting these two statements where z is more than minus a and less than a. Z more than minus a and z less than a. So this is how this statement becomes that one. Okay, when we look at the properties and we elaborate what I've just showed you. So how does it work out in a real life question? Let's say you have property modulus of z less than 1.46. This will become property of z being between minus 1.46 and 1.46. Right? That's how it works out. And what does it mean on the graph? On the graph it means that it's between minus 1.46 and 1.46, so it's here. So this becomes property z being less than 1.46 minus property z being less than minus 1.46. And this is phi of 1.46 minus, this is 1 minus phi of 1.46. Okay, from the notes from yesterday. And then it becomes phi of 1.46 minus 1 plus phi of 1.46. So this is how it becomes 2 phi of 1.46 minus 1. All right, so this is how it works with modulus functions. Okay, so you've got a detailed explanation of how it works. In the same way, you could work out modulus of z being more than a by using the properties, okay, which we're going to go through in another session, all right? So hope that you found it interesting. I'll see you very soon.